Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to use Dropbox for file sharing. So now let's go to my Dropbox account, and then here I'm going to teach you first how to create a folder. So now let's tap on the create option and then go to folder, and then let's just name this one tutorial. After that, tap on create and then go to all files, and then you'll now see the tutorial folder. And then here, let's just tap on the folder and then tap on the upload so we can upload a file. And then let me choose this one to upload on this folder. Tap OK. And then now you can see that the file is uploaded. So let's just tap on that. Let me show you the file. And then after that, let's right click on the file so we can share it. Just tap on share, go to share with Dropbox, and then here you'll have options to share. But first, I'm going to show you the settings. So these are the settings for the file that you're going to share. So let's just go back. And then here, you have two options to share the file. It's either you can put an email, so you can directly send it to your friend. And you could also put a note. For example, let's just say, "Hi Angel." And then after that, you can tap on share file. The second option is to create a link and then copy the link. Copying the link will allow you to send the file in other ways. So those are the options or the ways to share your files in Dropbox. Also, here in the settings, you can change who can access the file. It's either only people who are invited or anyone with the link. So that's how you share your files using a Dropbox. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.